Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video, we are going to learn the installation process of Java on MacBook. Installing Java in our system is pretty easy, but when it comes to setting up the system and environmental variables with Java path, it's kind of tricky. In this video, I have explained each and every step of installation and setting up the system environmental variables with Java path. Let's begin. Here are the steps which are mentioned in my slide. Let's perform the first two steps. Download JDK file and install Java in your system. Open Google Chrome and type JDK download. And you can see Java downloads Oracle India. Click on the first link. Always download the latest long-term support release, and you can see here JDK 21 is the latest long-term support release. Just click on this JDK 21 and you can see the systems here. I am clicking on Mac OS. If you are a Mac user with Intel processor, you need to download x64 DMG installer. If your MacBook has M1 chip, then you need to download ARM64 DMG installer. Just click on that link. So it will download the JDK file. JDK 21 has successfully downloaded. Click on it. And you can see this. Just click on that. After clicking on the jdk21.pkj, it will ask us to install. Click on continue. Click on continue. And then click on this install. It will ask us the password. Give the password here. In few seconds it will install, and it has already installed. Just close. You can move this to bin. We have successfully performed two steps, downloading JDK file and installing Java in our system. Our next step is to open the terminal and hit the command. You may come across with doubt why to hit this command. To know the Java path with the version we have downloaded. That's the reason this command is designed. Open your terminal, hit the command java space --version. This will show you the version which you have downloaded. It is showing Java 21 and we have successfully installed Java 21 in our system. To check the path of install Java with version, you need to hit the command /usr/libexec/java_home space -b. Hit enter and you can see the path with version. This is the one which I have selected. It is showing the version and also the path. So from here, copy the path, and we need to set up in system and environmental variables of Mac, right? So we have a file named .zshrc. I have also mentioned on the PPT. So we are going to perform point number 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10 now. We need to open .zshrc. Here is the command to open, and then press I on the keyboard. After that, we are going to write export java_home, and we will give the path which we copied, and then we will save. And at last, to confirm, we will write echo $java_home. To validate that it has successfully stored the path. We need to open .zshrc file. For that, hit the command vi space tilde and /.zshrc. Hit enter. As you can see, it has already opened that zshrc file. It is empty because I don't have any paths stored here. So to edit, you need to press I from the keyboard. Press I and you can see it is showing me insert. And now write the command export space java_home. You can write anything. I am giving it as java_home equal to, paste the path which we have copied, and then we need to save it. To go back from this insert mode, you need to press escape from the keyboard. As you see, if you press escape, the insert mode has gone. Save it by typing :WQ, hit return, and it's already saved. One last step you need to perform to make your changes permanent. Hit the command source space ~.zshrc. Hit enter. In order to validate or to know the path has successfully updated or not, hit the command echo $java_home. This was the path which we wrote, right? Hit enter. You can see it is showing me the path which we gave. So we have successfully set up the path for Java. Thank you.